everyone. In this video I'm going to share with you a cue card. It's very important cue card. It's from Makkar IELTS book material which provides a very believable and good content. It's especially for those who are giving their exams in January to March, so it's very important. So please make sure इस वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिएगा, सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए चैनल को अगर अभी तक आपने नहीं किया है, बिकॉज मैंने पिछले 2 वीडियो जो इंट्रो क्वेश्चंस पे चढ़ाए हैं, इंट्रो क्वेश्चंस, फॉलोअप्स और ये क्यू कार्ड्स के वीडियो में कंटिन्यूसली इस चैनल पर अपलोड करती रहती हूँ। और साथ ही मैं राइटिंग टास्क से रिलेटेड वीडियोस भी इसी चैनल पे मिलेंगी और 200 प्लस सैम्पल आंसर आइल्स राइटिंग टास्क 2 के जो कि मैंने पिछली वीडियोस आप चेक कर सकते हैं। आइल्स राइटिंग टास्क ऐसे मैंने आप लोगों के साथ शेयर किए। सो लेट्स बिगिन विद डिस्क्राइब अ टाइम यू बॉट समथिंग फ्रॉम अ स्ट्रीट और आउटडोर मार्केट। यू शुड से व्हेन इट वाज, where the market was, and what you bought and how you felt about it. So let's begin. I am a shopaholic and I love to do shopping, especially from street markets. This is because I love to bargain, and bargaining is not possible in big malls and stores. Here I would like to talk about an item I purchased from a street market in my hometown. Every Saturday there is a street market in Model Town area of my hometown. There are about 100 stalls, all of sorts of time. I usually go there with my mother and look for all new things that I can come across. About 2 months ago, I saw a stall with handbags of various brands. I was surprised to see all brands handbags over there, but when I went closer, I noticed that they were not original. They were copies of famous brands like Michael Kors, Calvin Klein and Coach. Every handbag was below 1,000 rupees. The original of the same brand start from about 15,000. One bag especially caught my fancy. It was a copy of Michael Kors bag. The seller told me that it is for 100, but I bargaining and I got it for rupees 700. It is black bag and big enough to hold my 13-inch laptop. Inside the bag there are 3 more bags, one for coins, one for keys and one for sunglasses. I found it a really good deal. Ever since I bought it, I use it almost every day. Only a true connoisseur can tell the difference between real and fake. My aunt has similar original Michael Kors purse and she takes it out only on special occasions. I feel happy that I can use my bag daily without having to worry about spoiling it. Sometimes my mother also uses it when she's going shopping. Although it was flux feather, it is very sturdy and looks like real leather. So this is the item I bought recently from a street market. So ये था क्यू कार्ड, बहुत ही सिंपल लैंग्वेज में इन्होंने दे रखा है। आप चाहे तो इसमें कुछ इडियम्स वगैरह ऐड करके आप जितने बैंड के आपको बोल सकते हो कि रिक्वायरमेंट है उस बैंड के साथ, बैंड स्कोर के गेट करने के लिए, उस अचीवमेंट को गेट करने के लिए आप उसके हिसाब से इसमें इडियम्स और ज़्यादा इसमें यूज़ कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज इसमें इडियम्स का यूज़ नहीं किया गया है। ये अराउंड 7 बैंड सैम्पल आंसर हैं। सो नाउ द टाइम टू फॉलो अप्स। So first follow-up question is, what kind of markets are there in India? India is a diverse country. All types of markets are out there in India. There are malls, supermarkets, outlet malls, street markets and small street shops. Do you think small markets will disappear in future? No, I do not think small markets will disappear in the future because they have their own importance. One has to especially make plan to go these big malls which are outside the main cities. Small shops cater to be immediate needs to the people. So small markets will never disappear, although they might suffer a decrease in sales. So third question is, how people shopping habits changed in recent years? Yes, people have started shopping online and going to small markets and shopping malls has gone down. The recent COVID-19 pandemic has also given a big boost to online shopping trend, and this change has become around only the last 2 years. What are the differences between shopping in street markets and big shopping malls? In shopping malls, the prices are fixed and there the people pick up things on their own and there is nobody to tell them about the products. However, in street markets, there is a lot of bargaining and the products are described and detailed by the salesperson. So, thank you for watching my videos. For the more cue cards, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.